So a 12-volt 60-watt lamp is connected to the secondary after step-down transformer. It's connected to the secondary. So this is the output. So 12 volt and 60 watt is the output power and output voltage, whose primary is connected to the AC means of. So input voltage is 220 volt. Assuming the transformer is an ideal transformer. So for an ideal transformer, we all know that the input power is equal to output power. So we know common input power is equal to output power. So input power is equal to output power. From the input power is what? 60 watt is equal to output power. So what is the output power here? So output power is equal to output voltage into output current.
Good evening, students. Good evening, students. Now we're going to discuss the NEET 2023 chemistry papers. Okay. Good evening, students. Now we're going to discuss chemistry 2023 NEET question paper. Okay. First, the answer among the given option, which of the following molecule and act as a Lewis acid? Okay. Which is option A is OH and B is NH3 and then water molecule. The answer is BF3 only, because BF3 have a Lewis acid. Already we know. Okay. Then second question, the conductivity of centimolar solution of KCl at 25 degrees Celsius 0.021 ohm inverse 1 centimeter, and the resistance of the cell containing the solution at 25 degrees Celsius is 60 ohm. The value of they are calculate the value of the cell constant. The formula is kappa equal to G and G star. Okay, so kappa equal to G star and directly proportional to 1 by R. So R G star equal to R into kappa. So finally we get a R, they are giving 60 and kappa 0.0210. So the answer is, if you are multiple, you get 1.06 centimeter inverse. Okay, so the answer is fourth option is correct. Okay, next the question 53, the number of sigma bond and bi bond present in the lone pair of electron in pyridine respectively. Okay, first you have to write the structure of pyridine. This is the pyridine structure. Okay, next we calculate the bi bond, sigma bond, bi bond and lone pair. Lone pair is the only one. Okay, so we have to consider option A and fourth only, option 1 and 4th only. Because lone pair only one lone pair is present in pyridine. Okay, then how many sigma bond is present? And here nitrogen is present, so totally 11 only present. So the option is a fourth option is correct. Okay, next the Lassine tester. The Lassine extractor of organic compound, both nitrogen and sulfur are present, which gives blood red color. In Fe with the Fe322, the formation of only the cyanide compound only. So the option A is a correct. Okay, next one, consider the following reaction and identify the product. It is nothing but it is organic like a, so option if you are adding the here water molecule is removed, finally you get a the high Br is added here only, so you get a second answer only. Okay, next wait, among the following, the total number of pieces not having 8 electron around central atom, its outermost cell. Okay, how many atoms among the following is the total number of pieces not? Okay, so you have to read that, and the not having 8 electron. Only which one is if your octet rule is a completing 8 electrons. Okay, here we in NH3 have 4 electrons. Remaining other have a not having 8 electrons. Remaining all other have a not having a 8 electrons. So the option 4 is a correct. Okay, next one, the right option for the mass of CO2 produced by heating 20 gram of 20% pure limestone. Okay, wait, I will calculate. Hi, we have to take x equal to how many 4 into how many mass number of carbon dioxide is 44 divided by 100. Finally we get 1. If you are calculating, we get 1.76. Okay, so the option 3 is I think correct. 3 is correct. Okay, next one, the relationship between nm here nm is the number of permissible values of magnetic quantum number. For given value azimuthal quantum number L is, they want to azimuthal quantum number. They ask the azimuthal quantum number. So you have to calculate. It is nothing but it is a simple formula only. 58, the option L equal to, we get n minus L. So the option is second is correct. Okay. Next one, which of the following statement is correct? They are asking correct. Mg plays role in neuromuscular function and intermolecular transmission. It is wrong. It is not intermolecular transmission. The daily requirement of Mg and calcium of the human body is estimated to be 0.2 to 0.3. I think it is correct. All enzymes that utilize ATP is phosphate transfer require calcium as the cofactor. No. The bone in human body is an inert and unchanging substance. No, it is also not correct. The option second only correct. Okay. Next to 60th question. Which of the following reactions will not give primary amines as the product? CONH2, it give primary amine because lithium aluminum hydride reduced it form CH2. Here also Br2OH also form CH2, so it is also form primary amine. Cyanide also form primary amine, but NCN isocyanide it's not formed, so it is the answer. Okay, they're asking not. Okay, next we go for next 68. Match the following. Coke is the used as a reducing agent. Wait a minute. Coke as a used as a reducing agent. Okay. And then diamond is used as carbon atom and sp3 hybridization. So diamond is correct. This one is correct. And fullerene is used as a cage-like molecule. Fullerene. Graphite is used as a dry lubricant. So the answer 4th is correct. Okay. Next, weight of 2 moles of organic compound which is obtained by heating sodium ethanate with sodium hydroxide in the presence of calcium oxide. How many the weight of moles? It is an easy one. It is 32 only. Okay. The next, select the correct statement from the following. Among the elements are composed of 2 fundamental particles. Yes, it is correct. The mass of the electron, others is wrong. Okay. The correct one is atom of all elements are composed of 2 fundamental particles. It is the correct one. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Wait. Atoms of all elements are composed of 2 fundamental particles. It is not correct. The mass of electron, it is correct. And then C also, all the isotopes give a element show a same chemical property. It is also correct. And the protons of electrons are collectively known as nucleus. It's not correct. Electrons not neutrons and protons only collectively known as nucleus. Not it is correct. And then G is a Dalton atomic theory regard the other elements of and ultimate particles of matter. It is also correct. Okay, so C, no, B, C and D, E. So option A is correct. Okay. The next one, 71. A unit formed by the attachment of base to one position of sugar is known as a nucleoside. The nucleoside is linked to positions of sugar moiety, we get nucleotide. Both statements are false only because it's not present in position 1. Sugar is known as nucleotide. It's not correct. 5th position of sugar moiety is not. It's also not correct. Both statements 1 and 2 also false. So the 3rd option is correct. Next one. A reaction can have a 0 activation energy. the minimum extra amount of energy absorbed by reactant molecules so that their energy become equal to threshold value. It is called activation energy. So it is a both A, R and true or is a correct, and explanation also correct. A reaction have a zero activation energy. Yes, the minimum extra amount energy is both standards are correct, and the explanation also correct. So the option is second only. Wait a minute. The 76th question. A compound is formed by two elements A and B. The element B forms cubic closed packed structure. Cubic closed packed structure. So, and the atoms A occupy 1/3 tetrahedral walls. If the formula of the compound AX and PY, the value of X plus Y is the option is a B option is correct. Totally 5. 2 plus 3 is a totally get a 5. And then identify product of the following compound. It is a Clemmensen reduction. Zinc mercury concentration HCl is a Clemmensen reduction. It got a CH2 CH3. Aldehyde is reduced to get a CH2 and CH3. So the option second is a correct option. And some tranquilizer are listen to below. Which one of the following belongs to a parapitals? Option A is a correct, others is not present. Option A only correct. Next one, given below are two statements, one labeled. Wait, assertion A, metallic sodium is dissolved in liquid ammonia. A is a correct and R is a false only. Okay. Taking stability factor. Wait. Wait. Yeah. What fraction 1 edges center octahedral wise lies in the 1 unit cell of FCC? FCC 1/4 is the correct answer. FCC we got a 1/4 only. The octahedral wise. Tetrahedral wise is 1/12 1/12. But 92 question the option is fourth is a correct. Next, identify the final product D obtained in the following sequence of the reaction. First, methanol is treated with lithium and aluminum hydride. We get a alcohol CH2OH. After that, you react with H2SO4. Get a alkene. Alkene is react with hydrogen Br. You get a CH3, CH2 Br. Finally, then you react with bromobenzene and a sodium diether. You get a second product only. Okay. Next question. Which among the following will most readily dehydrate under acidic condition? Here under acidic condition, which one is electron donating group does a dehydrate under acidic condition? Option A, NO2, here also NO2, here only no NO2. It is electron donating group, so it is acidic condition, dehydrated under acidic condition. Okay. Next, consider the following compound species. The number of compound species which obey the Hercule rules. Which one is aromatic? It is obey the Hercule rules. Option 1, and then if you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, totally 10 pi electrons. Here also 6 pi electrons. It is not, it is anti-aromatic. It is also anti-aromatic. It is aromatic because it is only 2 pi electron. It is non-aromatic, so it is not, so not come. Only 1, 2, and 3, and then this also, because it is also, if you count it, it is 14 pi electrons. So the total number is 4 is the answer. Second is the answer for this question. Okay. Next one. Okay. 96. Persulfide, peroxide disulfide. How many? They're asking how many SOH and SO bond and SOS bond. Okay, this is easy one. Wait, I will match it. A is how many peroxo disulfate disulfuric acid have a 2 SOH, 2 SOH, 4 S double bond O, and 1 SOSH1. In paired disulfuric acid have a SOOS linkage. Okay. Then sulfuric acid have a 2 SOH. Wait. This one is this one. A is the third one, so you have to find it. Option 1 and 3 only. Option 3 is correct. Sulfuric acid have a 2 SOH and 2 S double bond O is present, and pyrosulfuric acid have a 2 SOH and 4 S double bond O, and 1 SOS linkage. Sulfuric acid have a 2 SOH and 1 S double bond O. Option C is correct. The next one. The nutrient deficient water bodies leads to eutrophication. Eutrophication leads to the decrease in the level of oxygen in the water body. The statement 1 is incorrect, but 2 is correct because it is not a nutrition deficiency of water bodies. Okay, and the second one is correct. Eutrophication leads to a decrease in the level of oxygen in the water bodies is correct. Okay, next 98. The reaction that does not take place in flask furnace between 900 Kelvin to 1500 Kelvin temperature range during extraction of iron. This B option is correct. Others are 900 to 1500 Kelvin, but second one is below 900 only. Okay, the option B is correct. Next, pumic stone is an example of solid soul only. Form gel, solid is not one. Solid gel is the correct answer for mixed stone. And then final one, identify the product A and B. They are giving here CH2 is a positive and O is a negative. O, because O have a high electronegativity element. So if I react with the HI, it is deviated, it forms here I and then here H. So the option 4th is correct. Okay. Wait, I will discuss remaining questions. Okay. Identify the major product obtained in the following reactions. This is the aldehyde and keto group, both group presented. So if you react with ammonium, Ag silver ammonium chloride, 3 molecule of OH is heated with, finally you get a fourth option only. Oxalate, hydrogen is removed, addition of hydrogen, OH is removed, finally you get a oxalate ion only. Then 87, which of the following statement is incorrect? All the transition metal except so scandium form MO oxide, which are ionic. It is not correct. The highest oxidation number of corresponding to the oxides of transition metals, it is also not correct. And then C, basic character increases from V2O3 to V2O4. Yeah, it is correct. And V2O4 dissolved in acid to give VO3, 4 and salts. Yes, it is also correct. E, CRO basic, but CR2O is not amphoteric. It is also not correct. So the option C and D. So the option fourth is correct. C and D only. Okay. Then the equilibrium constant, the equilibrium concentration of the phases in the reaction A plus B gives C plus D. Are 2, 3, 10 and 6 moles respectively at 300 Kelvin. Delta G for the reaction are equal to. Okay, I will discuss. So the formula was delta G equal to, the formula is delta G equal to RD ln K. So K is equal to concentration of C and concentration of D divided by concentration of A and B. Okay. So if you are working, you finally get 2.303 RD ln 2 into 300 into 1. Okay, if that calculating, if you get answer is a 1381.8 calorie only. Okay, so the option is a fourth option is correct one. Okay, next one. And balancing given redox reaction, they are giving chromium 2 minus ion and then SO3 aqueous solution H plus aqueous. For balancing, the coefficients of A, B, C are found to be, you get an answer. Option A is a 1. If you are getting A is 1. So option B only, first one is A1. And then B is a C, 3 and C is a 8. So the option second one is a correct option. Okay. Next one, which of the following compound is a most stable? Cobalt 3 plus state complex only most stable. Here, first one NH3 and SO3, and then second one NH3 is a neutral. NH3 here also neutral, but if you are attached with cobalt, it acts as a strong field only. So here also cobalt. Here En is present. So the option is here only is correct option. A option is the correct one. And then which among the following option is the correct relation between change in enthalpy and change in internal energy? Change in enthalpy and relationship between change in entropy is delta H equal to delta U plus RT. Here they are using tel Ng. So the option third one is a correct, other is a wrong. Okay. Next, right? Wait a minute. I think these are all. Okay. Okay, right. 1 minute. Here, for a certain reaction, the rate of the reaction K powers A K concentration of A square and concentration of B, when the initial concentration of A is triple, keeping concentration B is constant. So the B is constant, increased by the factor is they are giving A power 2. So it is a second order. So it is increased by a 9. It is doubled, so it is increased by a 9, factor of 9. Okay, the fourth option is correct. And then the element accepted to form largest into achieve the nearest noble gases configuration. It is nothing but it is so easy. It is nitrogen only. The next one, which one of the example of heterogeneous catalyst? Heterogeneous means different. Homo means same catalyst. Heterogeneous means different catalyst. They are asking which one is example of heterogeneous catalyst. So the first option is a combination between dinitrogen and dihydrogen to form ammonium in the presence of finely divided ion. Okay, this is a correct option because it is differentiate two different form. Other are not correct. Oxidation of sulfur dioxide into sulfur dioxide is not correct. Hydrolysis of sugar catalyzed by hydrogen ions is also not hydrogen correct. Decomposition of ozone in the presence of dinitrogen monoxide is also not correct. Then 64, the 63, the option is a first one only. 63, the option one only. Next, the correct order of energy of molecular orbitals of N2 molecules. N2 is up to 14 molecules. How many electrons in N2? 14 electrons only. So sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, and then sigma star 2s and pi 2px and pi 2py. In between the sigma 2pz present in pi 2px and pi stars 2px. So the answer is that 2 is the correct, other is not correct. So the answer 2 is correct. Next, identify the product in the following reaction. It is a reactive with the benzene disonium chloride. Benzene disonium chloride is reactive with copper Br2. It is a Hoffman reagent. Hoffman, it is not Hoffman, Steinmeier reaction. If you're getting, if you're reactive with HBr and Mg triether, you finally get a benzene only. It is removed, MgBr is removed, Mg plus and Br minus, it is removed. Finally, you get a benzene only. Option C is correct. The next one, which among the following molecule polymerized product produced neoprene unit? Okay, neoprene is nothing but Cl unit. Only the option have a Cl. Third option only the correct option. So the answer C is a correct one. Neoprene is so nothing but it's Cl is present. It is neoprene unit of. Okay. Next one, complete the following reactions. Complete the following reactions. They are giving they are giving cycloketone hydrogen cyanide. It's reactive with OH and cyanide. And finally, they react with the H2SO4. You get a C product. They are asking C only. They are getting A option only because it is a cyanide. It's reactive with H2SO4. It forms COH, and then it will form here one bond. So the option 1 is a correct. Next one. Okay. Here given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion. Okay, wait. Assertion A, in equation delta G equal to minus NF E naught cell. Value of delta G naught depends upon N. It's not correct. It's not correct. Wait a minute. In equation delta G minus NF E naught cell, value of delta G depends upon N. It's correct. And delta G is an intensive property, and delta E cell is intensive property, and delta G is an extensive property. So both statements are correct only, and or is a correct explanation also. Okay. Next, helium is used as a dilute oxygen in diving apparatus. Yes, it is correct. Helium has a high solubility in O2. It is not correct. It is less solubility in O2 only. So that's why they are using helium. That they are giving here high solubility. So it is not correct. But option A is correct. So A is correct and B is R is not false. So the option 4 is a correct one. A is true, but R is false. Okay. Next, the stability of copper 2 plus ion is more than copper plus salt in aqueous solution due to hydration energy only, because it is dissolved in, they give a color. Okay, the hydration energy is a correct option. And then the final one, it is a allylic, the compound, they are giving the compound, it is allylic halide only. So the option 4 is a CH2 double bond CH bond CH halogen. It is allylic halide. Okay, so the allylic halide only, it is correct option. Next, homolytic complex for the following complex. Which one is potassium trioxalate? Aluminum is a homolytic. Others is not are homolytic. Okay, option second is a correct one. Any other one? These are all discussed. Any other questions? No. Okay. Remaining. Okay. Yeah, I think this one. Wait a minute. 74. Intramolecular forces are force of attraction and repulsion between interacting particles that will be included. First, A option is dipole force. Yes, a dipole. Next one, dipole induced dipole force. The third one is a hydrogen bonding. D is a covalent bonding, and E is a dispersion force. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given. So they are giving order. Okay, so the option D is a correct, because A dipole dipole force and then B, C, E, these are only the most appropriate answer for this question. A, B, C, D only, others is not come. A only first one, and then B, C, E, these are all correct only. The option D is a correct. Next, which of the following statement is not correct? Hydrogen is used as a used to reduce to heavy metals. No, it is not a correct. And then heavy water is used to study a reaction. It is a correct only. They are asking not correct. It is correct. It is also correct. Hydrogen is used to make saturated fats from oils. Yes, it is also correct. D, the hydrogen bond dissociation enthalpy is lowest as compared to single bond between two atoms of any element. No, hydrogen bond dissociation enthalpy is lowest, not highest. It is not a correct. They are asking not correct only. And then E, hydrogen reduced oxides of metal. Hydrogens reduced oxides of metal that are more active than ion. Yeah, it is also not correct. So the option D and E only not correct. So this one is a correct option. Next one, which among the following option is correct graphical representations of Boyle's law? Option C only, third only is not correct because this is also correct. In the D1 is greater than D2 and D3. They are reversely they are giving, so it is not. Wait. C is the correct. Others they are giving reverse only. This is one is a correct. Here also they are giving incorrect. Here also they are they are compared with volume. It is also not correct. This is one the correct represent for the Boyle's law. And third option is a correct one. Okay. Next we go. Next any other one. I think I discuss all. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Check your answer and counting your marks, and thank you.